Your cells are aging quicker than normal right now. Scientists can measure it right now. They can examine it under a microscope. Every breath you take causes your DNA's protective caps to decrease. Every meal you eat, every stressful situation you face. 3 Nobel laureates spent decades researching why this occurs and how to slow it down. Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn discovered a biological clock that ticks inside every cell. Dr. Yoshinori OSU explained how your body consumes its own injured parts to stay young. Dr. Venki Krishnan demonstrated why protein manufacturers within your cells hold the key to longevity. Simple foods in your kitchen right now can connect with your DNA, instructing it to repair itself and protecting you from age-related illnesses. Before we get into the specific foods that these Nobel laureates advocate, if this is your first time here, please subscribe so that we may continue to offer you science-backed health information that works, and leave a comment telling us where you're watching from. We like engaging with viewers from all over the world who want to live longer, healthier lives. Dr. Elizabeth Blackburn received the Nobel Prize in 2009 for her discovery of telomeres and the telomerase enzyme. Think about your shoelaces. At each end, a plastic cap called an eyelet prevents the lace from fraying. Telomeres function in exactly the same way as DNA. Telomeres shorten every time your cells divide, whether to replace old skin heal wounds or combat infection. When they get too short, your cells stop functioning properly. They age and die. This causes heart disease, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and cancer, which are the leading causes of death. Dr. Blackburn's research, published in prominent medical journals, demonstrated that chronic stress shortens your telomeres faster. In one investigation conducted with psychologist Dr. Alyssa Apple, a woman caring for chronically ill children had telomeres that seemed biologically 10 years older than their true age. Their telomeres shortened as their carrying time and stress levels increased. But here's the breakthrough. Your diet can help you protect your telomeres. According to a study published in Lancet Oncology, those who adopted specific lifestyle modifications, such as eating certain foods, raised telomere activity by 29 to 84% in just 3 months. Dr. Dean Ornish collaborated with Dr. Blackburn on this research. A 5-year follow-up study discovered that persons who made these adjustments improved their telomere length by 10%, whereas the control group's telomeres decreased by 3%. The meals that protect your telomeres share one important characteristic. They're packed with antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. According to an Ohio State University study published in Brain Behavior and Immunity, higher omega-3 levels linked with longer telomeres. Research from UCSF, where doctor for 5 years, Blackburn tracked 608 patients with heart problems, those with the greatest. Omega-3 blood levels experienced the slowest rate of telomere shortening. The study was published in the Journal of the American Medical Association. Additional studies published in Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that omega-3 fatty acids in disuse can minimize telomere attrition and prevent premature aging. A big research called VITAL discovered that vitamin D treatment prevented telomere shortening by 140 base pairs over 4 years. Here is what to eat. Wild-caught salmon, sardines, mackerel, walnuts, and flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries contain anthocyanins, which prevent DNA damage. Spinach, kale, broccoli, and colored bell peppers provide vitamin C, E, and folate. All are necessary for DNA protection. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice, as well as legumes like lentils and chickpeas, include fiber and B vitamins. Studies have shown that folate is necessary for DNA synthesis, repair, and metabolism within cells. High levels of homocysteine, which folate helps reduce, have been related to shorter telomeres. According to a study published in the European Journal of Nutrition, those who consume carotenoid-rich meals, which include the brilliant pigments found in colorful vegetables and fruits, had much longer telomeres. Mushrooms are also worth considering because vitamin D is linked to telomere length, according to a 2017 study in the Journal of Nutrition. Dr. Yoshinori Osumi received the 2016 Nobel Prize for discovering autophagy. The word signifies self in Greek. To survive and regenerate, your cells essentially swallow damaged pieces of themselves. Dr. Osu investigated yeast cells in the early 1990s. He depleted them of nutrients and genetically changed them so that they could not properly absorb biological stuff. Within hours, he observed microscopic recycling sacs known as autophagosomes building up inside the cells. This was the pivotal breakthrough that paved the way for a new field of inquiry. His discovery demonstrated that autophagy is not random. Nutrient shortage triggers a survival response in which cells recycle old proteins and broken organelles for energy. This process is critical for longevity because it avoids the accumulation of cellular garbage, which causes aging, inflammation, and illness. When autophagy was discovered in the 1960s, scientists had no idea what it was. Dr. Sami's research in the 1990s uncovered the genes responsible for autophagy in yeast and demonstrated that similar mechanisms exist in humans. His experiments revolutionized our understanding of cellular health. According to peer-reviewed research, fasting for 12 to 24 hours induces autophagy. Scientists revealed that reducing calories activates genes into preservation mode, making cells highly resistant to disease and cellular damage. A 2023 study published in Science Direct looked at healthy young males who fasted 17 to 19 hours per day for 29 days during Ramadan. Blood samples revealed that autophagy-related genes increased considerably, peaking around mid-fasting periods. This confirms that intermittent fasting activates cellular cleaning systems. Studies from Blue Zones regions, where individuals commonly live to be over 100, reveal intriguing similarities in Ara, Greece. Residents observe around 150 days of religious fasting each year. This exercise, paired with a Mediterranean diet rich in vegetables and olive oil, leads to excellent longevity. Exercise also promotes autophagy. According to research, moderate aerobic activity and endurance training promote autophagy in muscles and brain tissue. Studies on mice found that treadmill exercise boosted autophagy, and emerging human data suggests that the exercise regulates autophagy in tissue-specific ways. Autophagy is also thought to defend against neurological illnesses such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Here is how to start this process. Practice time-restricted eating by consuming all of your meals inside an 8 to 10 hour span. For example, eat between noon and 8:30 p.m. This gives your body 16 hours without eating, allowing autophagy to start. Stop the incessant munching. Allow your body 4 to 5 hours between meals. Autophagy begins only after glycogen. The liver's stores are depleted after 14 to 16 hours. During fasting periods, you may have water, black coffee, or green tea without breaking the fast. Certain foods support autophagy when you eat greens. Tea includes EGCGA, a molecule that promotes autophagy, while cruciferous foods such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower contain sulforaphane, which activates autophagy pathways. The key is consistency. Your body needs regular fasting periods to activate the cellular cleansing system. Dr. Venki Ramakrishnan received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2009 alongside Thomas T. Tess and Ada Joni for discovering the atomic structure of ribosomes, the tiny factories inside every cell that manufacture all of your body's proteins. Ribosomes transform genetic information from DNA into proteins that create tissues, fight infections, repair damage, and carry out thousands of other functions that keep you alive. Ribosomes are responsible for the production of every protein in your body. Healthy ribosomes allow your cells to continue generating proteins efficiently, which helps tissues stay healthy, boosts your immune system, and reduces age-related decline. Dr. Ramakrishnan employed X-ray crystallography to map ribosome structure on an atomic scale. A study published in Nature Communications discovered that maintaining ribosome activity through nutrition can increase both lifespan and health span. Here's what helps your ribosomes. High-quality proteins offer the amino acids your ribosomes require. Wild-caught fish, pasture-grown eggs, grass-fed meat in moderation, and plant proteins such as hemp seeds and spirulina all give complete amino acid profiles, but quantity is less important than quality. According to studies, a modest protein intake of 0.8 to 1 gram per kilogram of body weight promotes ribosome activity while not overburdening cell activities. Consuming too much protein can potentially be detrimental. The correct functioning of ribosomes requires magnesium. Pumpkin seeds and almonds, spinach and dark chocolate containing 70% or more cacao are excellent sources. Just a quarter cup of pumpkin seed supplies nearly half of your daily magnesium requirements. Foods abundant in folate and B vitamins help with ribosome production, as can leafy greens, avocados, and legumes. Calorie restriction research has yielded encouraging effects. A study published in Nature Communications discovered that moderate calorie restriction in mice resulted in a lifetime extension proportionate to the level of restriction. This works by decreasing the metabolic cost of ribosome manufacturing, allowing cells to devote resources to repair rather than perpetual expansion. Adequate sleep is crucial. According to a study published in Nature Neuroscience, sleep deprivation alters ribosome activity in older persons. During sleep, your cells repair themselves, including ribosomes. Aim for 7 or 8 hours per night. Physical activity, especially resistance training, promotes protein synthesis. According to efficiency studies, resistance exercise in older adults boosts ribosomes, biogenesis, and muscle protein synthesis, hence helping to retain muscular mass as you age. The foods and habits that promote ribosome activity are precisely aligned with the other Nobel discoveries: nutrient-dense diets and enough sleep, exercise regularly, and eat sensibly. Everything works together to keep your protein factories working efficiently for decades. Here's your daily meal plan based on Nobel-winning science. First meal: 2 eggs with salted spinach and tomatoes, a handful of blueberries, green tea. A noon meal: a huge salad with mixed greens, bright veggies, chickpeas and pumpkin seeds tossed in olive oil and lemon. A side of quinoa or brown rice. An evening meal: wild-caught salmon or other fatty fish, steamed broccoli and Brussels sprouts, sweet potato or lentils, walnuts and berries, dark chocolate, 70% or higher sliced vegetables with hummus, and timing are all important. Finish eating by 8 p.m. Do not eat again until noon the following day. This 16-hour fasting window allows autophagy to activate, giving you time to repair rather than constantly processing food while fasting. You can drink water, black coffee, or green tea. These are not magical foods. They power the microscopic machinery that keeps you alive. They protect your DNA caps, activate your cellular cleansing system, and keep your protein factories operational. Combine these foods with stress relief techniques like meditation or deep breathing for at least 12 minutes a day. Regular physical activity, such as walking or cycling for 30 minutes most days, benefits all. 3 systems. Get 7 to 8 hours of good sleep. Maintain strong social bonds. According to studies, supportive partnerships lead to longer telomeres. Longevity does not involve costly therapies or magical supplements. 3 Nobel Prize winners demonstrated that your body already has processes for healing itself, cleaning damaged cells, and slowing aging. Dr. Blackburn shown that maintaining your telomeres by diet and lifestyle can help prevent diseases that kill the majority of people. Dr. Osumi revealed that regular fasting triggers autophagy, your body's inherent cell recycling system. Dr. Ramakrishnan revealed that providing your ribosomes with high-quality nourishment keeps your protein factories working smoothly. Over the past 2 decades, research has confirmed that telomere shortening, a lack of autophagy, and deteriorating ribosome function all contribute to cardiovascular disease and Alzheimer's. Cancer and diabetes are not speculations. This is Nobel Prize-winning science, supported by thousands of peer-reviewed papers. Every meal is an opportunity to indicate to yourself, repair yourself, protect yourself, stay strong. The nicest aspect is that you don't have to follow it perfectly. Start by including more colorful vegetables into your meals. Try eating inside a 10-hour time frame a couple times a week. Choose fatty fish twice per week. If this knowledge has shown you a clear road to better aging, please share this video with someone you care about, such as a parent, spouse, or friend who wishes to live a longer, healthier life. Type yes in the comments section. If you are prepared to begin supporting your body's inherent longevity mechanisms, your future self will. Thank you for your choices today.